In this video, I will show you how to use free points in the construction process. They help to position elements you need to construct at an exact position. We will use for this the function createPointFree. The free points are called reference points too. In most of the cases, these points are placed by giving a distance to another point existing on the pattern. Imagine you want to place a pocket in the front piece at 4 cm below the neck hole and at 8 cm inside the piece. You first will use the function createPointMoveOrigin and click your neck hole. Now it will be the origin for the coordinate system. Then you can click on the function createPointFree and indicate with a spacer distance to the neck hole. So if you want that the point is placed below the neck hole, you will indicate -4 for the x-coordinates of the point, and inside the piece, for this you indicate 8 cm, plus 8. The point has been created. If you want to construct the shape of the pocket, use the function createBox. Click for the first corner the reference point and indicate with the space the dimensions of the pocket. The pocket is created. Of course, you have the possibility to create some free points by clicking on a place of your choice on the screen. These free points won't be cut with the standard configuration. You can leave them on the patterns. If you prefer, you can delete them with the function deleteElement. If you would like to delete many reference points with a quicker method, use the selection of the elements in Smart Guide after having started the function deleteElement and use the multi-selection, for example by using the frame.